HansNature. Now I stand here outside with Fjord Nature. Fjord Nature of Norway.
Nature, yeah.
They have a website, fjordnature.com. So if you want to have a quick view, then you can go to their homepage here. Yeah, they are planning some work here. Here is the crew. You know that guy? He played on the Omdal team. He said he knew me before, so we will try to think about it. And then he said he's been kayaking in the high bridge. So that's where we meet him. You can introduce yourself.
Yes, I am Helge, founder and guide for Fjord Nature, and we are very happy to be here in Ørsta. Our plan is to do our program here with outdoor adventures. We do kayaking, e-bike, climbing, mountaineering and ski touring during the winter. We are lucky to be here at the Havila Hotel Ørsta, and this is a perfect base for our adventures together with the accommodation and the restaurant, and then we have the beautiful nature around. And together with me, Matthias and Sigrid, the best people you can find, making a great company and good vibes here in Ørsta.
There's a sign on there. They have a flag there, and they're here at the beautiful hotel in Ørsta. Let's make some videos in the background here.